if we can make that happen, that's what needs to happen.
Only on RTV6, a grandmother is looking for help trying to get custody of her grandchildren. She says as a relative, there should be no question whether the kids belong with her. But a legal battle has proved the issue is not that simple. RTV6's Cameron Riddle went to work getting answers for a frustrated grandmother.
When it comes to the foster care system, you may have heard the notion that when trying to keep children out of the foster care system, family members are favored. But an Indianapolis grandmother and lawyer says that's not always the case.
Well, my granddaughter is in the system. I have her brother, and I've been fighting to get her with no luck. I keep just getting pushed around, run around.
When Rhonda Davidson's son and his girlfriend lost custody of their two children, 6-month-old Atticus and 2-year-old Chloe, Grandma Rhonda stepped up to care for the babies. Davidson, a mother of 4, has also been a licensed foster care parent for 9 years. Her parenting resume comes with rave reviews from social workers, and that's left Davidson trying to figure out why, after a year of fighting, she still doesn't have her granddaughter.
I've gotten to the point that when I've called DCS, they're like, they knew me by name. Okay, Miss Davison, what do you want? I want my granddaughter. I want to see my granddaughter. I want her back home with us.
That granddaughter is currently with another foster care family who has fallen in love with the 6-month-old. Now Davidson has spent nearly $7,000 on an attorney in an all-out effort to win a now 1-year battle. Indianapolis attorney Robert Shims focuses on grandparent rights. He says Davidson's fight is not uncommon.
DCS is required to look at relatives first in terms of placement of children. But it is not unusual to see a case like you're describing.
Shims says DCS does not ultimately have to place the children with family. He says in a battle between the perfect grandmother and the perfect foster care family, there is typically a clear winner.
Grandma wins that. Grandma gets placement because she is a relative. And if she doesn't work out for whatever reason, the foster family then would get placement.
A DCS spokesperson couldn't comment on the specifics of why Davidson doesn't have her granddaughter, but points to the Family First Act, a new federal law that aims to keep families together. DCS says that is always their goal.
That's my thing. I don't understand why they would not want to keep these two together. They're brother and sister. Why would they not want to have them be together instead of her with family? I mean, she's not with family. She's got a lot of family that want her.
Working for you in Indianapolis, Cameron Riddle, RTV6.
Well, numbers from DCS show that at the end of last month, 44% of Indiana children in out-of-home care were placed with a family member. That's slightly less than the 47% who were placed with unrelated foster care families.